Oh yeah. This area is actually huge. So there is a river that spans through it, but man, this is fun. Mini's getting pretty dusty, the wheels are getting a little full, but oh my goodness, this is fun. Such a riot. It's gonna be mostly drone footage, I bet, but hopefully get some other shots in there. Such a cool machine. And like this has never happened before, I don't think, anyway, that the lake dries up this much. It's actually pretty crazy. So all it takes is like a few rains and then this will all be just mud and a disaster. But hell yeah.
It's a small town jukebox, rock and roll. Yeah, like cold train when it hits your soul. Get the whole thing shaking when we hit the floor. Yeah, we're just getting started. Let's see where it goes. Harder than the summer. Harder than the summer. Feeling the heat. We got everybody burning up.
So this lake is actually never that deep. There's a little bit of water on the edge here, but it has dried up very much. Look at that. It's so cool. I'm having so much fun. This was all nice, untouched, dried up lake until someone with a Mini arrived. Jeez, yeah, no, that's all me. A little bit of dirt buildup. It's not too bad. However, yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm gonna start cleaning.